Lost in a sea of company files within Peachtree, now known as Sage 50, and can't find the one you need? Don't worry, we'll get you sorted in under 2 minutes. Alright, let's start with the most basic method: browsing your directories. Open Sage 50 on the initial screen. Before you open a specific company, look for an option like Select an Existing Company. Click on it. This will open a Select Company window. Notice the Browse button. Click that. This will bring up your File Explorer. Now, in your File Explorer, navigate to where you typically save your company files. If you're unsure, common locations are the Sage or Peachtree folder in your Program Files or My Documents. If you know part of the company file name, you can type it into the search bar at the top right to quickly filter results. Peachtree company files usually have a PTB extension. Look for folders or files with names related to your company. If you have multiple company files, naming them clearly will be useful for future reference. Here's a quick tip: if you recently used the company file, try the Open Last Company option on the main screen. It is the fastest option to get back to where you were. For those dealing with multiple companies regularly, consider creating shortcuts on your desktop or manage the list of companies directly within Sage 50 for easy access. You can also edit the name and file path within Sage 50 to help you keep track of your company files. And that's it. You're now equipped to quickly find your company file within Sage 50. Get back to business and keep those books balanced.